A loopback tester is a diagnostic tool used to test the functionality of network ports or interfaces by creating a loopback connection. Essentially, it simulates the transmission of data from a device's output back to its input, allowing for self-testing without the need for external connections. Here's how it works. The loopback tester plugs directly into the port or interface being tested. It then sends test signals or data packets out through the port, which are then looped back to the tester without actually leaving the device. The tester then analyzes the received signals to determine if the port is functioning correctly. Loopback testers are commonly used in networking and telecommunications to verify the integrity and performance of ports on routers, switches, network interface cards, and other networking equipment. They help diagnose issues such as faulty ports, wiring problems, or configuration errors, enabling technicians to quickly identify and resolve network issues.